In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Firefly and explore some of its alternatives. If you're new to Adobe Firefly, it's an innovative tool for generating images and videos using advanced technology. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just curious, I'll be guiding you through the process of signing up and making the most out of Firefly's features. To start, you'll want to visit the Adobe Firefly website. Here you'll find an array of options designed to spark your creativity. On the homepage, you'll notice two primary categories for content creation: images and videos. You can select which type of media you want to dive into. If you're more interested in visual stories and art, images might be your go-to. However, if you have a knack for dynamic visuals, video creation could be your playground. Once you've decided, the next step is to think about what you want to generate, be it an image or a video. Description is key. Take a moment to clearly articulate your concept. Perhaps you envision a serene landscape or an abstract video sequence. This is where you let your imagination lead the way. After you have your idea ready, simply go ahead and hit that generate button. For those choosing video creation, there's a suite of options available to fine-tune your work. You can adjust aspects such as resolution and aspect ratio, which determine how your video will appear on different screens. Additionally, you have the flexibility to upload an existing video as a reference to guide the composition and camera movements. You may also want to adjust the shot size, camera angle, and include dynamic motions like zooms or pans to enrich the viewing experience. On the flip side, if images are your focus, Firefly offers powerful tools to help you shape your art. You can alter the aspect ratio to better fit your project needs and decide between a photo-like finish or artistic rendition. Dive into the gallery or upload your inspirations to serve as a creative reference. Explore options to adjust visual intensity, apply various effects, and play with colors, light, or camera angles to truly customize your piece. After making any tweaks or adjustments, you will want to generate your content again. This ensures your latest settings and prompts are applied, giving you the final product just as you envisioned. Each of these steps allows you to tap into the versatility of Adobe Firefly, helping you express your ideas vividly. Should you wish to experiment with other tools, exploring alternatives may also uncover exciting capabilities similar to Adobe Firefly's unique features. Whether you stick with Firefly or branch out, have fun pushing the boundaries of your digital creations.